Number 1.
1969 Chevrolet C10, price $9,000, features a 307 engine paired with a smooth-shifting 3-speed automatic transmission, configured as a long bed 2WD. The truck is finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, giving it a timeless vintage look. It runs and drives exceptionally well, with the transmission shifting smoothly, and has been fitted with brand new tires for added reliability on the road.
The interior is in surprisingly good condition for its age, retaining much of its original character.
While the truck does not come equipped with air conditioning, it makes up for it with classic appeal and strong mechanical performance. Like many trucks from this era, it does have rust in the typical areas, but overall, it remains a solid and authentic example of a late 60s C10.
Number 2.
1963 Ford F100, price $10,000. It comes with a manual transmission and runs, drives, and stops reliably, thanks to rebuilt brakes and a recent tune-up. Under the hood, it is powered by a straight-six engine paired with a 3-on-the-tree shifter, giving it an authentic vintage driving experience. The exterior, finished in what appears to be its original copper brown paint, shows character from age, while the white accents seem to have been applied later with a quick and inexpensive paint job.
The truck's brown interior matches the body color, maintaining its classic look.
Despite its age, everything remains functional, including the gauges, lights, radio, heater, and blower. Like many trucks of its era, it has some imperfections, with rust present in the front floor area and visible scratches and dents on the body.
Nevertheless, it stands as an honest old original truck. Number 3.
1997 GMC 1500, price $10,000. It has 200,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. Finished in a striking red exterior with a clean gray interior, it runs perfectly and is in great overall condition. The truck is powered by a gasoline engine and has been well cared for, featuring a brand new dual exhaust system that enhances both performance and sound. All the headlights, brake lights, and turn signals have recently been fitted with brand new bulbs, ensuring excellent visibility and safety on the road. The interior remains beautiful and well preserved, showing how carefully it has been maintained over the years. Despite its age, the body shows no signs of rust, with only a few minor dents and paint scratches that do little to take away from its solid and attractive appearance.
Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4.
1968 Ford F250, price $9,500, shows around 150,000 miles and is powered by a strong 390 V8 paired with a C6 automatic transmission, both rebuilt in the 1990s. Finished in blue with a black interior, it runs on gasoline and comes with a clean Nevada title. The truck is in daily drivable condition, starts right up, runs and drives well, and rides on good tires. The body is incredibly straight and 99% rust-free, with only a few bubbles on the roof paint, a small ding on the tailgate, and an old bed dent from a 1980s tire blowout.
Paint shows some fading, scratches, and chips.
Inside, the cabin has patched seat rips, a few cracks under the dash cover, and all gauges working, though the AC is non-operational. Recent work includes a new battery, electric fans, redhead steering gear, power steering pump and lines, kingpins with metal bushings, tie rods, drag link, shocks, front wheel bearings, hubs, rotors, pads, and exhaust gaskets.
The truck now runs with a single fuel tank, though the removed underbed tank parts are included. Number 5.
1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $4,500. This truck has 183,000 miles on it and runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a gray interior, it has served as a dependable work truck for the past 2 years.
The truck has been kept reliable with a refurbished transmission, a brand new windshield, and routine engine maintenance.
Although the check engine light occasionally comes on, it remains smogged and ready for use. The air conditioning is currently non-functional, but the heater works perfectly. The previous owner removed the mufflers, giving it a more rugged character. Despite being registered as salvage to avoid back taxes, this Sierra is fully prepared for the job.
With its proven durability and practicality, it stands ready to continue serving as a solid work truck. Number 6.
1988 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,800. This pickup is a true old classic truck that has stood the test of time. With 130,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs and shifts smoothly, making it a reliable choice for anyone looking for strength and durability. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a long bed, and a powerful 4x4 system, making it ideal for farm work, hauling, or even hunting trips. Both the exterior and interior are finished in blue, giving it a consistent, vintage look, while its clean title adds peace of mind for the next owner. Powered by gasoline, this Chevy 2500 remains a dependable workhorse that carries the rugged charm of a late 80s pickup.
Number 7.
1999 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,500. It has 201,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in a gold exterior with a gray interior, it runs on gasoline and is powered by the reliable 5.0L Vortec engine. The truck is a two-wheel drive model and is described as running and driving exceptionally well. Everything on the vehicle is fully functional, with cold air conditioning and strong heat for year-round comfort. The seats remain in excellent condition, showing how well the interior has been maintained. Recently, it has received new spark plugs, a fresh oil change, and a set of brand new tires that come with paperwork, along with a fresh alignment for a smooth ride. Adding to its appeal, the truck is entirely rust-free, a true Tennessee vehicle, and it also features a new Flowmaster exhaust for a stronger, more refined sound.
Number 8.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. This truck has 208,000 miles on it and comes with an automatic transmission. It features a green exterior paired with a tan interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs and drives great, reflecting both reliability and performance. Several upgrades and replacements have been made to keep it in excellent condition. It has a brand new headliner and seat covers, along with a new dash cover that refreshes the cabin's look. For performance, it is equipped with a new cold air intake, dual electric fans, and a leveling kit, while the new Rancho shocks, ball joints, steering shaft with knuckle, and steering wheel ensure smooth handling and stability. In terms of functionality, the truck benefits from a new ignition, brake booster, a seat compressor, belts, battery, and alternator.
Number 9.
1993 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000, shows 192,000 miles and is powered by a 7.4L 454 big block TBI paired with a manual transmission in 4x4 with 3.73 limited slip gearing. Finished in black with a tan interior, it includes the factory tow package, cruise control, and an intact but unconverted AC system. The truck has typical Chevrolet rust on the cab corners and rockers, worn seats, and a non-working factory radio, though the bed remains in good shape with a rubber mat. It rides on Ironman tires with less than 6,000 miles and has received extensive recent maintenance, including new master/slave cylinders, radiator, brake lines, fuel pump, alternator, starter, and battery. Family owned since new, it comes with the original owner's manual and window sticker, making it a well-documented and dependable classic workhorse.
Number 10.
1972 Dodge W200, price $6,000, finished in striking orange inside and out. It runs on gasoline and holds a clean Oregon title with original plates and service records. Power comes from a 318 V8 engine installed in 1998 with performance upgrades including an Edelbrock Performer intake, Carter 4-barrel carb, upgraded cam and valve train, Excel ignition components, and a complete exhaust system with headers, welded pipes, and chrome tip.
The truck is lifted with Rancho shocks and leaf spring upgrades, rides on 36-inch Super Swampers with American racing wheels, and includes a full-size spare.
It also features dual fuel tanks with in-cab selector, worn locking hubs, a single transfer case lever, and solid bumpers with tow brackets. Inside, it offers a sliding bench seat, power brakes, power steering, and all lights, windows, locks, wipers, and heater fan in working order.